Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we'll be solving question 3 from exercise 9.4. So here the question is we need to find the sum up to first n terms of the given series. The series is given to be 3 into 1 square plus 5 into 2 square plus 7 into 3 square and so on. Right? So here notice that it is not an AP, this is not a GP. So what we can do, we can identify what is our AN, right? So we can do that by looking at our terms which are given to us. So here A1 is given to be 3 into 1 square, right? A2 is given to be 5 into 2 square. A3 would be 7 into 3 square. So in order to evaluate AN, you have to see what is the pattern that follows here. So you see, for the index 1 here we have 1 square, for the index 2 we have 2 square, for the index 3 we have 3 square. So for the index n we would have n square. That is quite obvious. What about this first term? For the index 1 we have 3, for the index 2 we have 5, for the index 3 we have 7. So can I write like this? For index 1 I can write it like this, 1 plus 2. For index 2 can I write it like this, 2 plus 2? No, it doesn't form 5. So that means this pattern is not correct. So what can we have, right? Apart from this, what else can we write here? So we can write 2 into 1 plus 1, right? So it would form 3. We can write 2 into 2 plus 1, right? It would form 5. We can write 2 into 3 plus 1, 6 plus 1, that is 7. So you see a pattern here. So if this is 1, this is 1. If this is 2, this is 2. If this is 3, this is 3. So you see we have 2n plus 1 here as the given pattern. So our nth term here becomes 2n plus 1 into n square. So you can multiply the terms inside to obtain 2n cube plus n square. This is your nth term. Now in order to evaluate the sum, you know the formula for sum. It is summation a k, right, where k varies from 1 to n. So you can substitute the value of k. It would be 2k cube plus k square, right? Because we are now writing the terms in terms of k. So you can open up this summation. So 2 summation k cube plus summation k square. Now you can substitute the formula for sum of cube of first n natural numbers, and which is n plus 1 divided by 2 whole square. This is the formula. And you can substitute the formula for calculating the sum of square of first n natural numbers, which is n plus 1 to n plus 1 divided by 6. You should be very careful in writing these notations. When we are using summation, we are using the variable k here in order to denote it as dummy variable, where this dummy variable varies from 1 to n. So, and when you substitute its value, because we are going up to the last term as n, so our answer would come in terms of n and not in terms of k. Correct? Once you have these formulas written, next you have to just simplify the terms. So you can take n plus 1 as common, and you can take this 6 as common. So you would be left with here 1, 2 and 1, 2 would cancel with each other, right? So you would be left with 1, 2. So in order to make it 6, you have to multiply it by 3 and 3 here. So it would become 6. So you are left with 1n plus 1 and 1, 3, right? And here all of these things are taken outside, so you're left with 2n plus 1. So you can multiply these inside, and then you can simplify the terms. And once you simplify the terms, you have n plus 1 divided by 6 into 3n square plus 5n plus 1. And because these terms cannot be further factorized, so we will leave our terms as such, and this is our answer. So I hope you understood this question well. Well, that is it for this video. Thank you for watching.